Hi, I want to introduce you to the WholeBody 5.1 massage chair. This is a great introductory massage chair that can really help to soothe tired, aching, and sore muscles. This chair has 3 15-minute pre-programmed massages that each can target specific areas of your body for relief. You've got the full back, upper back, and lower back programs. This also has patent-pending FlexGlide technology. This technology would be like having massage and having a warm oil massage. It is so smooth you don't feel any friction like you could if you were having a dry massage from a masseuse. That warm oil feel is a great asset for this chair. Another convenient feature of the WholeBody 5.1 massage chair is the Swivel Base. This chair allows you to swivel up to 55 degrees for ease of positioning. The WholeBody 5.1 massage chair also has a foot and calf massager that has patented figure 8 technology. This technology, unlike many others, doesn't just clamp blood in the ankle and foot. It actually goes around your calf and leg in an upward motion, forcing blood back to the heart for improved circulation. If your legs can't take a massage at a certain point, or maybe you just don't want to experience that feature right then, it has a calf that can flip into an Ottoman, and you can just relax your legs on top in comfort.